Alright guys, I'm gonna keep making these videos as long as you guys keep watching. So let's get some subscriptions up. And here we have a 2012 Hyundai Elantra. And I'm gonna show you how to take the radio apart. Now, I already started by taking apart this little sleigh ride. Got one on each side. What I did was use this little guy right here in the corner and sort of pry outward. Then you can get your hand off this first clip and just pull. Here you want to be careful because this is kind of flimsy. It's in the corner. And same thing on both sides. I already took them off, so just to show you. On both sides, same thing. Grab it in the corner and it will reveal 6 screws. And we're going to get to them right now. We got 1 and 2, and we're gonna try to speed this up as we make the video. 4, 5, and 6. All right, so installation 101 is to check to see if there's any CDs, and there's no power. This is a dead radio, but who cares? We're taking it out and replacing it. 6 screws. Takes the bezel off, and do not, I repeat, do not unplug this guy, which says passenger airbag, while the car is on. So we're going to shut it off and take out the rest of the 4 screws. 4 screws after being removed. You got 1 there, and there. And the radio should pop out right in your hand. And that's it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.